Restylane and Juvederm are both hyaluronic acid fillers, so they're both made out of the same more or less clear gelatinous substance. It basically looks like clear jello, and they're injected underneath the skin and underneath wrinkles in order to add volume. Restylane and Juvederm are frequently used interchangeably, but they're really not interchangeable substances. Restylane is better for fine lines and for distinct wrinkles because when you inject it, it's much like injecting along a line, much the way you would with a pen. You are putting it in a very precise location, which is helpful when there is a linear wrinkle. Juvederm, on the other hand, is more like painting with a magic marker or a highlighter. It diffuses beyond the area of injection and therefore is good for filling hollows and for enhancing volume, for example, on the lips or in soft folds. It's not as effective as Restylane for very distinct lines.
I'm extremely happy. Like he did an exceptional job. He made me so comfortable. It was amazing. And everyone, they notice like little slight changes about it, but they're not like, oh, you went and got your lips done, or oh, you went and got your nose done. It's like, they're like, oh, what did you do that, you look great. Like, what have you changed? Or have you, are you wearing a different lipstick?
He just has an eye for it. He's an artist, and so the same thing that applies to a sculptor with the body is exactly what sets him apart to me from other surgeons that I had consulted with.
I personally perform every single injectable procedure, whether it be Juvederm or Restylane or even Botox and Dysport. I think that's important. I've got 17 years of practice as a plastic surgeon doing surgery every day. I also have a background as an artist. I do wood and marble sculpture, and I think that having an artistic eye really is of help when performing these procedures.
Being in Dr. Friedman's office with his staff, with him, was the most perfect experience you could imagine. You come in, the first day you're here, Dana is so welcoming. She goes over all the procedures, she tells you what's going to happen.
And you want to feel comfortable when you walk in the door, that you're trusting them with your face.
I knew that they were going to turn out perfect. Like, I was never worried about it. He's so at ease and comfortable with explaining everything to you thoroughly, and he makes you feel like right at home and exactly what's going to turn out.
Here at Dr. Friedman's office, before the injections were done, I had a gel applied which numbed the areas. I was given laughing gas. I was able to have ice applied afterwards, which took the swelling down.
One of the great things about the injectable fillers is you don't have to wait for the result to occur. You can look in the mirror right after the procedure and you can see a difference.
I still look the exact same. He just made it amazing. 10 million times better.